Well, hello everybody, this is Mika. Good to see you guys all and hopefully having a good week. We're gonna have a big outreach this week at Missio Ikalinen, and from South Korea we're gonna have Dr. Paul Chung. He's a miracle working guy and very exciting to have him here. I also am expecting great things to happen, so you can come to Missio Ikalinen at the big spa area and just enjoy the great campaign from Saturday to Sunday. And you can look for more information from the web, gne.fi. Sorry, and just remember this week, like it says in the Psalm 127, that unless the Lord builds the house, the builders labor in vain. I don't think you want to labor in vain this week, so give your heart to the Lord fully. Let Him guide you and direct you, and He wants to bless your life. Bye bye.